Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for this video, I'll be using my square extra short soft gel full nail covers. We're doing a real simple winter theme look today, but all I'm doing is going in and sizing them out and just making sure that they fit my nails wall to wall. You want to be sure that you do this before beginning to apply your nails because it just saves time. It makes the whole process much quicker, easier, and faster. If you never gave soft gel full nail covers a try, I definitely recommend testing them out because they definitely save so much time when doing nails, and the shaping is already done for you. So if you have problems shaping like me, this is definitely a big help. The link, as always, will be down below. Now we're going to begin applying the nails. So we're doing Polygel today, and I'm using some alcohol as my slip solution. I always use alcohol. I never really use like the slip solution that comes with kits because alcohol just works the best for me. And for my Polygel, I'm going in with this Ohuhu Polygel, and I believe the shade 94, or I'm sorry, in the shade P6. And I absolutely love this shade. It looks purple in the bottle, but it's actually the most like prettiest bubblegum pink shade. And you guys have seen me do this 1,000,001 times. I'm just going in, applying a pea-sized amount, and then I'm just gonna pat it out and apply it to my nails. So it's super simple and super easy. If you do happen to get any excess around the cuticle areas, you do want to make sure that you cure that. You do want to make sure that you remove it before curing, because it can be hard to remove after the fact. But yeah, as you can see here, I'm just making sure that the Polygel is fully covering the whole full nail cover and then apply. It's super simple, super easy, and I'm just gonna sit back and let you guys watch me work. Alright, so after the nails are all applied, I'm now going to go in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol and wipe my nails down before I begin filing. Now the filing process, as I said earlier, these nails are pre-shaped for you, so the filing process is super quick and super easy because they are pre-shaped. I'm going in with an 80/80 grit nail file. This is a purchase off of Amazon, and I'll be sure to have the link to it down below. But it's super quick and easy because of the fact that the nails are pre-shaped. So if you have problems shaping like I do, these soft gel foam nail covers definitely help take that pain away. So now I'm going to do my top coat before I do my design. And I typically do top coat before I do any like rhinestone adhesion because it actually helps the stickers or whatever you apply stick better. And two, I don't like to apply top coat over designs because sometimes it can like look too thick and glossy. So you can do it either way, but this is just the way that I prefer to do it. And for my top coat, I'm using the Model 1's top coat. This is their regular gel top coat. This is not their no wipe top coat. And as always, this will also be linked down below. This is also available for purchase on Amazon. So now we're going to do our design. I'm doing a winter theme, and I'm just doing some snowflakes with some simple nail decals and nail rhinestones. This sticker sheet was also purchased on Amazon, and it comes in a pack of, I believe, 10 different 5D nail stickers. So it's definitely a good bang for your buck, and these stickers are super high quality. They actually stick very well and don't come off easily at all. And this is without applying a top coat over top of it. So that says a lot if you do it the other way. But yeah, I'm just going in and applying a snowflake to the center of each nail. So now I'm going to apply the rhinestones, and for this I'm using this drill point rhinestone adhesion pen. It's kind of like a 2-in-1, so as you can see it has that drill point tip that gives you super accurate precision when applying rhinestones. So I love it because it's super fast and easy to use, but it also twists and can be applied as like a nail polish if you had maybe a whole nail that you wanted to apply rhinestones to. So it's definitely a 2-in-1, and it's one of my favorite products for doing nail decals, and this is also available for purchase on Amazon. If you're new to doing nails and you're starting up your nail kit, this is definitely, I would consider it an essential, a great investment. I've had it for over 2 years now, and there's still plenty of glue left to go. I believe it also comes in a 2-pack as well. So I'm just going in, applying a wee bit amount of that rhinestone nail adhesion, and then applying my rhinestones and then curing. So now the nails are done. Last step is cuticle oil. You definitely want to make sure that you invest in an ultra hydrating cuticle oil. And here's the final look. It's a super quick and easy design, perfect for the winter time. If you guys enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll be sure to catch you in my next video. Bye.